The YCE notching machine is hydraulic controlled and good for notching and corner shearing mild steel and stainless steel of 2.5 millimeters thick, and has a maximum notch at 220 by 220 millimeters or 250 by 250 millimeters. The dual head design is for notching in one head while edge punching in another. The centralized control box with remote foot switch provides single inching and continuous stroking operation. Fine adjustment. A good scale for thin materials positioning with a fine adjustment on X-axis and stop on the Y-axis is provided. A material holder helps prevent distortion during cutting that occurs while lowering the blade. Strong in structure, these heavy-duty notches can perform 90-degree notching work on all shearable materials with ease. Notches requiring angles of more than 90 degrees can be done in two operations. It is especially useful where box, chassis, and panel blanks are to be made. The YCE notching machine